how to live stream in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to live stream in Shopee. Before you can live stream on Shopee, you need to become a registered seller on the platform. You can sign up as a seller through the Shopee website or app. To start your live stream, open your web browser and go to live.shopee.com.my/setup. This will take you to the official Shopee page. Log into your account and click on the live dashboard from the top right corner. Add information about your live, the duration, and other details. Once you are done, your live stream will be created in Shopee. During the live stream, interact with your viewers by responding to comments, answering questions, and showcasing your products. Engaging with your audience can help build rapport and encourage sales. Before the live stream, promote it through your Shopee store, social media channels, and other marketing channels to attract viewers. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.